iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. We're outside the offices of the Premier Soccer League. Nedbank Cup Final. Mamelodi Sundowns taking on Bloemfontein Celtic on Saturday evening at 8 p.m. www.wsb.co.za. 50 rands voucher awaits for you if you're signing up for a new account. All terms and conditions apply, and of course they are on the website. Any problems, please stay on World Sports Betting website. World Sports Betting, bet with the best. Of course, we are predicting the game now with Khanye. If you think that you know what will happen on that game, if you have a crystal ball, go to World Sports Betting, and of course you can put your money in there before the match or even live during the game as well. Junior, Mamelodi Sundowns, Bloemfontein Celtic. Celtic haven't won against the Mamelodi Sundowns in the last 10 games. 6 wins for Sundowns, 4 draws. No win for Celtic since 2015. How do you think that they should approach this game if Bloemfontein Celtic must call?
Yeah, it's going to be difficult for them. Some of the players, which will be their first final for them against bigger team that has just won Champions League, Absa Premiership. Yeah. The player that is got a star, their team, I'm not a fan of Mamelodi Sundowns, my brother, but currently, very excited. They've got a good technical team. Good technique, good team. Team core. Their team very wonderful to watch. They've got a good team to watch. Very exciting. They share the ball. Good structure. Very experienced. It tells you Celtics is playing a very good team. It's gonna be Abafana Celtics psychological. Yes, they've got individual brilliant and team play similar football, good football. We need to give credit where it's due. But tomorrow psychological definitely facing into. I know they're gonna be scared. I know in terms of experience. Definitely those they're playing against big guns, players who are representing national team, big names individually. It's gonna be tough. Technical team. Yes,
so I'm so sorry. Let's just try and help them then. How? We know Madisha is a problematic position. Sometimes they are easy, to get rid of him or to target him. Ibaroka, they targeted him. They were calling him a freeway. So let's try and help Celtic. How can they defeat Mamelodi Sundowns? Where else are the weaknesses for Sundowns?
Yeah, if you play the ball, if we started the ball, Mara, very effective. You understand? And tell players good to be confident, take them on. At the back, they are a bit slow. Good to Alipola, but a bit slow. If they can make sure good to wing our about cheetah. You understand? Go about checking my full packs. You understand? And about the middle. Good thing of whom Sundowns dominate middle. They up front, yes, they've got experience about Shabalal and stuff. Mabanga, Labantu Labang Chelangavo, and keep to Sereno, keep an eye. Not to good Marimas money time. And then Ibangakon with by Bam, but definitely so Sundowns will win the game. Because Obanzima Mara Leo young nigga benefit of the doubt with pound to pound, they can end up buying penalties. Yes, yeah.
All right, let's have a look then at players such as Ndumiso Mapena, players like Motibang. The last time Celtic won a very big score with the Kaizer Chiefs, Usera Motibang scoring 2 goals against the Kaizer Chiefs. Ndumiso Mapena, of course, always very good for Bloemfontein Celtic. Upalane as well, I know you like him. How much of a big performance do we need to see from those players to make sure at least they go to penalties, or maybe by some miracle they could win?
Yeah, exciting player corner individual. Pochane. Yeah, Lucky Malo, I'm not a fan of him, but he has improved. Sure. Yeah, Palan, I'm not a fan of Palan, but the guy has improved. Since I like to say, man, he has laid the foundation, team at Alpola, and very effective, dynamic players. And they don't just play a career one. They know good in a man fight, starting point, and middle up front, they move quickly. Yeah, very bad. Take on my Engelong, Kenabo, the Sasanje, coach. He mustn't put pressure on the players. He must tell them, this lento labor fana begin can just go there, ninga be pressure. It can change your the rest. Abanye being called for national team. I'm a contract pick Sundowns Chiefs. Paretia. So might lose you, but the Electrans Nacha live in Europe. The Kemis of Bugale on remember the season is off. The Banga Kotuba Kumbus. You understand? So motivated watching these videos and stuff. Highly motivated already. You need us to motivate them, not to go to we dream. We understand, yeah. It's a reality in Kululego. I think Sundowns a bit doubting now, Mara definitely show me nang nepilipas win. It's Sundowns psychologically win the league. But I know Pizzo is professional. And a couple of players about Trump, they're all professional. You understand? I squad sabi baning. It's Sundowns second half in about bench. 11 eqala ibambe nebenchini kunamaplayer angangakaziprove ngale bayibona opportunity babaqeda. Sundowns will win the game, my brother.
All right. The last time Bloemfontein Celtic and Sundowns played in the final, it was the Telkom Knockout 2012 final. 2012, 7 or 8 years ago now, where coach Pitso Mosimane replaced Johan Neskens. Neskens lost that final to his Celtic, and of course Johan Neskens was dismissed. Coach Pitso Mosimane was hired, and then of course the rest is history. He's now won 5 league titles in South Africa in the last 7 years. Indeed, that was very historic, that fixture in particular. Before we talk about Sundowns as well, with the Junior and Wu are going to be their main players. www.wsb.co.za. That's the name of the website. If you want to go and predict, if you disagree with him, you can go to www.wsb.co.za and of course put your money on some of the matches as well. There's also the English Premier League, which is starting this weekend. If you can fancy yourself a bet there, hopefully you can win. WSB, World Sports Betting, you bet with the best. Now, Mamelodi Sundowns, it's very difficult to even mention individual players. They're so good up front and they have so many very good players. But maybe let's try and predict who would be the main players on Saturday for Sundowns.
Very good team. Not best team compared to 3 years, 4 seasons, but best team because they won the champions, Absa Premier League. Yeah. Very technical team, good technical team individual, many to mention. They've got core of experience, Punch, and the Abo Shompo Kekana, Nascimento, Mshishi, Serino. Who can you pick? So very difficult. They can share the ball, they've got individual brilliant. Yeah. Very tough to deal with them. They can score now on Kama Engel. We understand. They punish, and where is expected to perform, they perform. Unfortunately, pressure by us. They played so many final, went to start Champions League, but we have final. Yeah. They've been like Champions League, like I don't think it's a problem to them. Yeah. So iba niki go ahead as ngisho ay kunzima ukudlala against ezayingwenya manje. Any team in PSL is going to be tough. Yes, mhlambe labafana after 30 minutes baqeda to consider izobuyi confident, but it's going to be difficult to handle. It's like imvula utuvala uyanganene ngamatch, is going to be a problem. Yeah.
Alright. Okay, last one then, score prediction as usual. Last time Baneba ubitsa mtatemo profeta because you were so spot on with your last prediction. You were trending on Twitter. I hope that they don't hold you accountable because you're not always going to get it right. All the time that you were wrong. But anyways, let's have a look at the prediction then. Sundowns versus Bloemfontein Celtic on Sunday in the Nedbank Cup Final.
I'm not going to say score, but Sundowns will win. Score, I'm not going to say it, but Sundowns will win. Yeah.
Maybe will there be many goals in that game, or Celtic, can they score a goal against Sundowns?
Not many goals, but Sundowns will win the game.
All right, there you go then. 064-525-0513. That's his prediction. If you disagree, World Sports Betting is the name of the website that you can go to and put your bet on as well. Thank you very much for watching us. Enjoy the final. May the best men win.